Check this bird out right here, man. It's another bird. He trying to pick the bird up and trying to fly him away. He must be dead or something. This Tribe of LA, man. You know what I'm saying? All I see production, man. Heaven in the hood, man. It's a bird over here. And it's trying to pick the other bird up and fly him away. Do you see this? Can you really see this? He's strong, too. Check him out, man. Check the bird out, bro. He trying to pick the other bird up. Huh? No, he trying to pick him up and fly him away.
He was just out here wrestling and shit.
They were?
Yeah, he didn't kill that nigga.
Oh, he killed him. I thought he was trying to
fight.
Oh, they were fighting?
Yeah.
Oh, man. All I see production.
He mad as hell.
Tribe of LA.
He need to do that.
What is you doing to him? Let him go.
He's still alive.
Let him go. I'm getting close. Nah, he. Oh, he got his claws in him. That's why. His claws stuck in him. He can't get off. Oh, so they was fighting. Two birds. I thought he was trying to lift him up. Ah, he trying to get away from me. You can't get away. Yeah, he is. He beat him up. But he got his claw in him, though. Ah, he can't go nowhere. Oh, he got him gripped. Look. He really got him gripped. Look at that. Two birds. I ain't never got this close to y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Tribe of LA. Yeah.
So that other one's still alive though.
So, look, he got his feet. You see it right here? Look, right there.
So he's still alive. He just got him.
Oh, no. Oh, guess what? The other one got him around his beak. He got his hands around his beak. That's why. Oh, man. He got around his beak. Yeah, he got his beak. He got his claws around his beak. And the other one got his hands around his neck. Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy.
You put it on YouTube.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. I don't understand.
crazy.
They fighting, man. Two birds fighting.
He was out here knucking earlier.
Should I kick him, y'all? All y'all that's watching, should I kick him?
Okay,
I just saw them out here fighting earlier, man.
They were fighting.
That's crazy.
Oh, man.
Wow.
No, one on got his hands around his beak. And the other one, he ain't let him go. And they ain't letting each other go. Yeah, one got his hand on the neck, one got his hand on the beak. Look, there they go. He ain't let him go. He a beast. Ah, check him out. Ah, that's Tribe of LA. That's Tribe of LA right there. That's Tribe of LA on top of all them rappers.
That's crazy.
the one that got his beat, what do he
Ah, he might get a loose. I'm gone. Tribe of LA, I'm gone. I'm done. I'm done. There go Zeus, y'all. There go Zeus. Yeah, Tribe of LA here. This me. This the real me. Yeah. I'm gone, y'all. I'm out. All I see.